Hmm. Hey guys, welcome in Music City Trader. I am on this big old monster of a uh, turnaround. This is, it looks like a perfect trade in 10 minutes. Look at it. It is in an uptrend. It is above the Keltner. So, it could trend higher, but this is a really good push point right here in the 10 minute. It looks like it's got, let's see, minute left. Could totally fall here in a minute. I just want it to bounce off this line up here and just go down. Looks like it's going to, but I'm not going to double this up or do anything weird, because if this doesn't win in 50 seconds, then it'll just be like, if it trends, it trends. It has a 1 minute, it has a 1 minute, or no, that's a 30-second breakthrough. The 1 minute, I don't know that the 1 minute's going to break through, but I'm not going to try it. 30 seconds left. Let's see what happens here. It broke through that. Maybe I should have taken my cue off this 30-second thing. It kind of retracted here, but that was a big, huge green candle. 20 seconds, 180 is on the line here. 15 seconds, unless it just dives down here. There we go. It's starting to dive. 10 seconds. This could win. This would be a great win. Come on, baby. It's holding 6, 5, 4. There you go. It touched that line. I'm nervous about that line. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it won. It won. That won. That was insane. That was insane. I'm going to check and make sure it did win, because I think it won. It did. It won. What a fantastic trade. Seriously, y'all. What in the world? That was amazing. Here, I got to run this out. So I got to go back to my, binary options page. So, and then I hit this button and we have a little happy dance today. And that is why I record my sessions, because that was the closest. Probably that was so close, guys. So close. My trade was right here. It just, you saw it. If you were in there, you saw it was right there, barely. I wish I could go back. I can't rewind, but you can watch the replay. Maybe if you're watching it live, you can rewind it. That was insane. That was so insane. I don't even know what to do. So this looks like a trending up chart. I don't know if it's going to keep going or if I should keep going. 6,098. So if I put this in here like this, we'll know what we have right now. 6,098. Oops. I hate that when that happens. 609. My thing always up $165. That's up 1.14%. So, yeah, I'm not really sure what to do. This one never did. Oh, wow. This one. Okay. Odd USD. That one looked like it did kind of go up, but it barely went up. It almost didn't hit my line. But this one's down at 70% now. So I'm going to take off the alarm. I'm going to take that off. I'm going to drop this one off the chart. I was looking around. I was like, these don't look great. That one's really trendy. This one is also really trendy, but I don't want to get too crazy, because like, I do think it could go down, but then again, it broke that level. It tried to hit that level, went way down, and now it's kind of rallied back up. I do think this will go back up, but it's so high at this point. Will it go back up? It's been going up pretty much ever since it's been going up, but I'm not gonna play around with that stuff. I'm not gonna get too emotional about that. This chart looks kind of expandy. I was looking around for some trades to see what I could win. What is this one going to do? This one's got nothing on the bottom. See, it's got nothing on the bottom, and it's just, it's like, that's really far down. There's a lot of down pressure just overall in general, so I can't know what that's going to do. This one looks edgy. You know what I mean? It looks edgy. This one's not bad. This one I wouldn't be too. I'm still looking for it to go up here, but not sure if it did. if it did that after no, it didn't do that. I didn't. See, I marked it like this. I thought it was gonna go back up, go back down. It's stuck down there. It's probably not gonna make it up there in time for my session. This one's 88%, this one's 89. This is a decent change in direction. That's in 1 minute though. Let's see. So 10 minutes. Let's look at 10 minutes. Yeah, see, these are expanding. So they are breaking levels and trending. So I got to be careful not to get burned up on something I think is going to turn around. If I think it's going to turn right around and then it doesn't, then, see, I would have thought it would turn here. It kind of did, bounced and went up. It bounced again. This time it went boom. So it hit there twice. But I mean, you can't really, it hit there higher, didn't go all the way. Then it hit there. That time it hit that point. You would have thought it would have turned, but it didn't. Kept going higher. This one right here in the 30-minute looks pretty promising on this side down here. If we take this as a possibly as a consolidation, it's kind of like there and there at this point. But let's look at it in 10. So that's the 30-minute. Is it expanding in 10? I don't know. It doesn't. It's kind of, that's not like the greatest like 10-minute. I mean, it has. Yeah, it has a little bit of like it's in an uptrend. Stopped off there. It's kind of stopped there. I don't want to get too emotional about that. It stopped there. It's kind of in the, this is a consolidation area. It hasn't really been real specific here, but it does have some levels here, and it has a level there that it went down to, but that was 10 minutes. So if you look at one, then yeah, you just don't know if this gets down to here. I mean, unless it just RSI touched like on a perfect thing. But see, this RSI touch is happening in the middle of nowhere. I mean, there's not really a lot of levels here. Maybe there, didn't even make it there. I can't, that's not super reliable. So I'll set alarms on this just to look at it if it comes around. This one did hit and go back up and back down. I think this is a trade. This is a chart we won on. I thought that was going to go up. I did think that was going to go up from here. If you look at it in 30, it does look like it's going to go up. But there's not, maybe it hits the white line and then goes up. Maybe it goes up prematurely. I'm not sure. Maybe it goes down here. It kind of broke the level here. We've got a little bit of a level here that it probably breaks through. Next levels would be down here, maybe. I mean, there's a lot of levels, guys. This would just have to be an RSI touch. This would just have to be a flat out RSI touch. In terms of levels, just don't see how it's gonna actually make sense. Yeah. See, this is on a white line. It's in a lot of gunk, but it could keep going. Not white, not that RSI is kind of touching, but it's also kind of pushing down. I think it could go down there and touch, like it's touching. It's kind of bouncing though, you know what I mean? It doesn't seem like the most smart RSI touch because it didn't just kind of climb up. It didn't just kind of climb up and get really specific. I mean, it is sitting on that line right there, which could be a line, but it's broken up and down out of there. So look, out of there, out of nowhere, it just tanks up. Which that's okay. That would have been a huge win, but it would have been risky for me because I just didn't know where was going to go, and I'm not willing to. I get into a bunch of silliness. This could have broken structure down to here. It looked like it was going to. It still might. It still might shoot up and then just go back down. But that was probably the RSI touch that I was waiting for. This one right here was that one that was going down forever. Finally decided to go back up. Nothing looks great. I've got one win already. This one has jagged edges on the top. I don't really see anything. I'm just going to keep looking. I'd like to see something that that looks really good, like a chart that falls into a consolidation area and that just sort of bounces around. I don't see any of those yet. I see a lot of trends, and I see a lot of charts making multiple levels. This one right here might be, again, the lower level is unreliable on this one. Okay. It does look like it probably will go down here and then turn around. It's probably, it broke through odd CH. Okay, so it hit that level, kind of hit an RSI touch, but it's been trending down. It could push all the way down there. There's a big red candle, It's RSI touch, RSI break. If I think that's going to go back up, but I don't know. That level right there is something, but not in the 10-minute. It's not really anything specific. It's already broken that. It's kind of sitting on that level. Yeah. So maybe if you take the 1-minute level and you put it down here, you say it's gonna go down here, and then it's gonna get tied up in that junk and turn around. It's still kind of iffy. Yeah. It's kind of slowing down there. Kind of slowing down, but not necessarily. It could have one more push. Kind of broke through. It's getting in this area where it's like, how many red candles that's been. It's kind of getting stuck. It kind of broke through, and it might turn around here. I'm kind of waiting for it to just hit that bottom. Yeah, there it goes. Pretty close. Let's take it. There it goes. There. Now finally, right when I did it, it hits the bottom. But that's okay. It did hit the bottom. That's where I would have taken my trade. 2 minutes. If it's going to turn around, it's going to turn around here. Let's see. This is supposed to be 5. Yeah. This could be the second win for today, which would be really great. That's a good spot. A lot of wicks. My trade is not as low as it could have been, but it's in a good spot. It's a minute and a half. If it consolidates on this lower level here, if it consolidates underneath here, we're in trouble. But in the past, it hasn't consolidated there. It's sort of, let's see, where is my trade? Let's see here. What is this? Green? My trade is on this green line right there. Yeah, I'm going to zoom in and get this little micro zoom here. My trade is right there. So if I look back here, it's been low. It did kind of play at this little lower level, but it jumped off. Didn't stay there long. I'm glad I waited. I think this could still win if this line keeps going up. I'm watching from over here. Got 1 minute left. Could go either way, I guess. If you look at it in 1 minute, you look at it. Now that's a big green candle. See, it stayed down here for just a second, bounced off there, bounced off there, bounced off there. It keeps bouncing off the bottom. It's getting close to my line. That's my line right there. I don't care if it does that, fine, just go back. Just bounce off the bottom again. You got to bounce off the bottom. Let's watch what it does. In 10 seconds. 10 seconds makes it really scary. Man, it's sitting low, isn't it? It's got to have some up pressure. 16 seconds. This could be a second win for the day. Thank you, Lord. 10 seconds. Hold on. Hold this up. Let's go into 30 seconds. I don't like looking at it in there. Oh, it's bouncing. Grab 5, 4. Come on, baby. Yeah, baby. Come on. No, 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 no. No bounce up. Yep, there we go. Oh, lost. It lost. I'm taking this for 3 minutes off this bottom because it's playing on that line. I think it's going to go out. All right, here we go. Turn around, baby. That was so close, guys. That was so close. That was so close. Actually, you know what? The other trade was so close too. This was the closest trade I've ever had. That first win was so close. This trade right here was so close. But I'm on a good line here at this point. 3. Let's put this back down to 2 minutes. If it doesn't break this, but it looks like it tries to. Yeah. Yeah, it tries to break this. I'm going to take this for 5 minutes again because I think it's going to happen is it's going to go back up from here. So I take a 180, take a 180. This is a 3 minute, and this is a 5 minute. So I have a win and a loss. If this position is right, then we have 2 wins. Okay, if this position is right, we will be done today. Is that smart? I don't know, kind of, because this is a big line, you know, for me. And this is off a white line. It's kind of going, it's in an uptrend. There's different reasons why I think this can win and that it can win in the long term. If I look in the 30, I do think this chart is going up. It's at the bottom of it kind of went up and it kind of got stopped up here, but it's got room to go. It's got room to grow. This is at the very bottom. So I guess this could go either way in the 30 minute. In the 10 minute, this chart looks pretty smart because it's going up this way. You know, it's not breaking that yet. It's got like a good, I don't want to draw too many lines. Hold on. There, get rid of that one. I just want this to win. This would be so sweet if this won. Because it would obviously, it's got this nice line. It hasn't broken it. It's touching it. It's got 45 seconds. It really played off this bottom here. You know, it played off that bottom really nice. So it's got bottom play and it's going up. It's got 30 seconds on this first trade. If it plays around here too much, I'll lose. But if I win those 2, yeah, I took a long trade. So that's a long trade. This has to turn around or that bottom one could, I'm not out of the woods yet. So win, loss, win. Okay. Win, loss, win. I guess that's a good thing. Win, loss, win. We have 2.5 minutes, really long time actually. So if this does play off this bottom, like I think it's going to in the longer term, like this, in that 10 minute, if it plays off that bottom, doesn't play patty cake, that's a nice wick. We've got wicks everywhere. 2.5 minutes. So stick with me. If this other one wins, I'll do the math now so we can kind of play. We've got 2 minutes, so we can do the math. If this one wins, then we'll have about 2 wins, 5,904 plus 345. So we'll have 6,249. I kind of hate to count my money before because I get excited, and then if I lose, I get mad. But we'll be up 2.19%. We'll be up $316. We'll have, if it wins. If it loses, then we'll just be back where we started, and I'll consider just, oh, geez, look at that. Molly, cockling, Donnie, Matejama. That's not good because that's a wind up. It could break this hardcore, but it could be like, oh, I'll just touch this and go back up. That's a wind up. See, I would trade on the put on this if it breaks this, but hopefully it wicks off right here. If not, I think I'm going to be done for today because I don't want to, these charts are not, win, loss. I mean, a minute 17, this is a wind up and a break. It's breaking the structure now. So I took a 5-minute trade because I just thought it was going to do that. It was going to break off. So 1 minute left. 1 minute left and pretty far down, you know, a pretty far wind up to the downside. Yeah, I just need to let it be because I don't think it's going to go back up. Yeah, win, loss, win, win, loss, win. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's terrible. That's terrible. Win, loss, win, loss. You know, I can't even imagine where that's going. Is it going right here? Probably is going right there. Yeah, it's way out of whack. And will it go there totally or not? You know, it broke structure. It's going down here and it'll wick up probably because here's where it might wick up. Yeah. Let's just buy it here. 4 minutes. On the long haul here. I'm trading longer today than I usually do. It broke that structure in the 1 minute, but it's tied up in some of this stuff here. So I'm gonna let that play out. Let's see. So that was definitely, I was like counting my I was counting my money. 57.24 is what I'm at now. So down 1.45. Okay, that's fine. If this can go back up, which I think it might, hit these levels. All it's got to do is bounce back up instead of trend all down. But it's trending, but it's out of whack too. So I don't know. Nothing is like amazing. It's 11:30 on a Friday. Let me pop open some of these other charts. That chart, that one still could win. We'll let it roll because it still could win. We'll put it up here in the left. Look at some of these 92 percenters. I'm not going to say it is because it could go completely down. I'm not going to sit here and say it's going to win because it looks like it's going to lose. It's struggling. So we got 2.5 minutes, but that's that's a big struggle. This right here is a big struggle. This right here is like probably like it could win. Yeah, look at that. This is more like a it's not a black line, it's more of a, I don't know. Yeah, see this one right here looks like it could almost continually go up but it did break that line. So I'm not going to give any more effort to this one because it could be that this loses. It could be turning around and losing. And it looks like it will struggle down there. It's in struggle. So let's look at something else. Let's look at this one. This one turned up, hit there, turned around. Yeah, it's on this line. That's okay. This looks like it could, let's see, does this look like it could be in an uptrend? No, because it wicked off that so hard. You never know if that's going to be in an uptrend or not. It's kind of in an uptrend, but not, I'm looking at a short uptrend. This one is struggling. Not even going to look at it because, it could just be trending down. It's thumping around down here. Problem with this is it's in kind of a dive. I was waiting for a turnaround and it hasn't done that big turnaround that I thought it was going to do. So in a minute, we'll see if it wins. I think it could. I think it actually could. It could win. So it would be a win-loss, win-loss, win. We'd have a win. So I got to be careful. I'm not going to enter another trade. We'll see if this one wins because it could jump up and win. And it would frustrate me if I had a win. So I was in the money. And then I took another trade and lost it, on accident. Just like being stupid. Yeah, this one's like in a consolidation. Trying to break the bottom. 30 seconds. Look at this in 10 seconds and tell me if you think it could do it. It could do it. This is great because it hit the bottom. And it could do it. It could do it. 20 seconds. It needs to just go boom. It needs to get maybe in 10 seconds, it needs to have its juice. So yeah, there it goes. Juicy. Come on now. 10 seconds. It needs to have its upper juice right now. It's like it needs to get some bit of just oomph right now. It doesn't look like it's going to. It looks like it's going to return back to this. It's going to 3-2 lose. Win, loss, win, loss, loss. All right, so we need to find a better. We need to find a better. Find a better game here. This one right here is not bad. Actually, it's not bad. It's there we go. It's gonna hit that. It's gonna hit that line. There we go. There's a 30-second RSI touch that looks perfect. It's also at a. It's at. I did see this line here. It's at a line. And hit the RSI. It's at a line. It's wicked off there. So it had win, loss, loss, and this could be a win. So instead of pushing right now for a win, like for trying to make something happen that could not happen, I got to be careful. That was a great RSI touch, really great one. I saw it happening right here in this 10-minute. I saw it happening right here. I saw it reaching up and getting ready to touch that line. It makes sense to me in that viewpoint. We got 1 minute left. Hopefully it holds down. It looks like it might hold down. These charts are acting kind of funny. Not kind of funny. They're acting kind of. They're not acting kind of funny. They're acting kind of sporadic in terms of like where they're going down to. This one down here, look at that. What shot way down, hit that RSI, big RSI up. Let's see what we're gonna do. It's playing dangerous because it's playing against our line up there. And you know, this one could win. It's got 30 seconds. Could also shoot back up and hit that line again. It's trying to hit that line again, actually. There it goes. Hits that line again. 20 seconds. Come on, baby. Go back down. Don't hit that line. It's getting all kinds of play up there. It's got a pretty hard line there. It did go a little bit higher there at that one point, but I want this to go down. It doesn't seem like it has the there it goes. There it goes. 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. It's playing on the top side though. You know what I mean? It hasn't turned. There we go. I'm taking that based on that line right up there. And I got to be cool. I got to keep my calm because I have a win-loss. So I'm down 1 here. Win-loss. I'm down 1. I'm down 2 here. Okay. It's not like I'm frustrated. I'm just kind of like, maybe I'm not finding the right moments. You know what I mean? Maybe I'm just not finding the right moments. Yeah. See, this looks like a mess. You know, it's got in the 10-minute, it's got all these weird moments that it's kind of like it could go either way. It could go up there. Yeah, I can't trade off these 10-minute levels because look how janky they are. I did trade off that bottom one. There is one that I'm sitting on. I am sitting on a level right now. Hopefully it doesn't break it. It's playing around like it wants to break it, but it's also playing around like it's going to break it, but it's also playing around like it's going to go down from here. There we go, 35 seconds. This is the 1 minute. There's a 1 minute, if it like, what's it called? Like an engulfing candle. It got stuck up here. It's an engulfing candle. I think I had 2 losses there, but this is going to be a win. Yeah, that's 2 losses. 180. Win. Okay. That was really good. That was really good, guys. Let's give that a win. That has to. Look at that. Look at that. It just looks like it might keep going. It did wick off there, but it does look like it could keep going. I'm not really interested in that anymore. Not really interested in any of these lines that I made earlier. I'm down one trade. Oh, wow. Look at that one. Is that the one I just won on? Yeah, the Euro GBP. No. Yeah. Yeah, it's trying to. Look how big that is. I'm going to sell that for 3. No, 4. Okay, it's fine. So I think this will go, unless it's just a massively trending. Kind of grasping at this right now. So I'm down 1. Here. This one can win. This one could totally win because it's up there at that. It's up there at that motion. It's way outside the Keltner. It doesn't look like a trade I would normally take, so maybe I should just not look at it. It's not a trade. It's not a trade I would normally take. I would wait. I would have waited normally for a little bit better thing. Oh, we got chats going on. You got this, man. Hey, Alejandro. What's up, my man? Yeah, I'm going slow today. I'm trying to be careful. Or I have been going slow. I might speed up my might speed it up a little bit. I do think that charts are trending a tad bit today. It kind of went over. I think this one still could win because it's got this big crick in the thing, but it's up there. It's trying to go up there in the hour. It's trying to go up there in the 30. It's trying to go up there in the 1. I'm waiting for this to turn around, but I don't want to. I'm not gonna go crazy. It's 2.5 minutes left here. Yeah, I'm gonna double that up there. So I think it is going to turn around. It would be great if that turned around on 1. Now that is a double up, which I don't usually do, but I don't usually make 4-minute trades either. The only problem with doubling up is I'm down 1. If this trends out of the way and this just loses both, then I'm, basically down 3. So, and that's going to have to be it for today. I'm not winning. Maybe I'll come back later. I'll look for some RSI touches. Are touches? See, that's breaking. The RSI touch, that would have been a good one, maybe. They're kind of janky, is what they are. The RSI touches are kind of janky. See, look at that trend. That's just going up still. Got 1 minute and a half. We're in 1 minute candles. This 10-minute candle looks like it could be going nowhere. Could be going to the sky, basically. I don't know. I don't like doing that, guys. I guess with all that up pressure, I probably should have just waited, but I got impatient on that one, thinking that it really was going to turn. So that's going to be a loss if it doesn't turn around here soon. See how these are kind of going. Oh yeah, these are kind of going up. Oh man, see, my brain is not telling me. There we go. I'm gonna take that one, that RSI. Let's look over here and see how bad this one is. That's bad. That's bad. That's real bad. It never turned around. Of course, it's in a big uptrend. It broke over. It kind of hit there, went down, hit it, but I thought it would turn around here. I thought it was going to play. It did look like it could play. It did kind of look like it could play here. That was a bad man. Look how that. Oh, that one's trending too. So that one lost, and then this one. Oh, this one, yeah, okay. So I got confused there. This one right here is the one that was just continuing to go up. Like I don't know where it's going to stop. In fact, it could stop right here. This is a place where it has stopped twice. If it gets up there, maybe that's its turnaround point. But it's got to reach way up there. You know what I mean? Okay, let's watch it though, because it might. Let's watch this one if it gets way up there. Maybe that's final. It's final countdown. Yeah, the speed is low, and it's moving kind of. This was just an RSI touch basically off this line right here, which I thought was pretty good. It looks ganky now though, but this one right here is going to turn around at some point. But yeah, look how slow it is. So down here, 1, 2, 3. So now I'm down 3. Hopefully this one wins. I should focus on this one. This one is in my trading strategy. I only have 4. So if this one doesn't win, then I have to stop. And it won't be hard for me to do that today because I'm going to stop. I want to stop anyway, but I'd like to have this one win and then take another one. Yeah, that one looks like it could. It's got 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. There. That one lost. Okay. Yeah. No, they're killing me. -4. I'm down 4. Okay. So 51.69. I think I'm just going to be done. 51.69. It's down 764. I'm down 5%. I'm getting my butt handed to me in these charts. Like that one right there could have won. It didn't. It could have won right there, but it looks like it's continuing. But it's moving around so much. I don't know. It just doesn't make any sense. Yeah, it doesn't make a lot of sense. You know what I mean? Like that one finally turned around, but it doesn't make any sense. It went way up here. It didn't even go up where I thought it was going to go. Then it wicked out there at the top. They are kind of moving slow. Not only that, they're just kind of moving erratically. I don't like the way they look. See how slow this one's moving, but it's been going up this whole time. If I look at it in one, it's like a massive uptrend, but I don't know where it would stop. It's got stop points, but it's not really obeying its stop points as much as I would wish it would. It's not obeying its stop points. All right, I'm taking one more here. This one, I'm just going to take the trend. It's got a little pullback. It's got 2 minutes, and hopefully it doesn't turn around. This could be the day. Yeah, maybe I should take longer, bigger trades off bigger lines, Well, this one's not bad. What's this one doing? I mean, when I say not bad, it's like, who knows? Because look how deep that got, It's like trying to get off the bottom there. Oh man, that one. Yeah, that one's. Where did that one go? This is 1 minute, 30 seconds. Perfect. All right. This is the one that I took a minute ago. I'm going to watch it and try to see what happens. It's going slow. Yeah, look at it. It's kind of playing. It's playing slow. Man, it's just 30 seconds. So this could do it. This could jump up. This could do what I thought it was going to do. It's out of the money right now. Yes. This could get in the money. That could get in the money. 19 seconds. If it just keeps going up for a little bit, doesn't keep playing back and forth. This is playing back and forth. Look at that. 10 seconds. It kind of reached up there. Let's take 5 minutes off this bottom here. My pen is breaking. I got to get a better pen. Oh man, now that's going to go that way. But I took a long trade there. Okay, let's see. I think this one can win still. It'll hit this bottom and keep going up like it's trending. But this, this stuff is like, who knows if it's ever gonna, that line right there is pretty important. It's a line that it hit, and maybe it tests it and go back up. This one right here looks pretty good. I'm gonna watch it. I'm afraid to watch it kind of because they've been losing in the last second. So this one will be 4, 3, 2, win off the bottom. So I'm down -4. Not bad. Oh man, this one was okay. This one went down to 66%. So can't do any more on that one, but it's still got 4 minutes. So I'm gonna let that roll. And then I'm gonna go get rid of some of these charts, get rid of some of these lines. I'm still just down 4. Yeah, if this one wins, then I'll be back up. This one could win or could not win. I mean, look at that. It hit this line, this hard line that it's playing off of. It has been trending up this entire time from here. I guess I got a little antsy on the top side. So, it has been going up this whole time. It has been going up like that, and I take that trade thinking, okay, 5 minutes is an eons of a time. It'll be up here, because it's just climbing. There's not a lot of stop pressure up there. I mean, it's sitting on some lines. Okay, so it's finally in the money, but it's got 3 minutes left. But it's in and out of the money, so it's just gonna bounce around up there. Let's see if we can find. Maybe I should find better entry points, guys. You ever think about that? Maybe I should find better entry points. Ones that aren't completely jankadank like this one. This one right here. If I look at it, it was kind of going up like that. It kind of broke its structure, and then it. Yeah, who cares? It broke its structure. But, if you look at it in 1 minute, it looks so weird, This one right here is also at 92% when I entered. 2 minutes left, so as long as it stays above there. I should have waited for that line. I should have waited for this. Like in the retraction, I should have waited for it to get the white line. Because it could go either way right now. It's been really trendy. But I've lost a lot of trades today just by kind of looking, I guess, trying to make stuff happen. I guess that's probably it. Trying to make things happen. That's what it is. I did have a win at the first part of my session, a really nice win. It was a really good one too, a really good win. These are levels here that I want to look at. That one, yeah, but those aren't really great levels. Let's see what's this playing. Kind of don't want to watch this because I don't want to watch it just play around up there. Yeah, it's going to go up from here. It's that lower bottom level. It's trying to break that lower bottom level right there. Let's double up there. That's a bold move because that's sort of like a. Oh yeah, that's one of those plays. That's play right there. That's a play. That level is where I took my trade, right on that level. See, these could both win. It's 45 seconds. Okay, so it kind of went down to this level. I kind of said no, it's not going to break that level. It's going to go up. It kind of played around on this level right here. It played here for a while. It's got 26 seconds. I want it to shoot up from here, not shoot down. It tried to break this level multiple times, and it never did. So I took my double up right there. Down 4. Thank you, Lord. Let's see if it can win. Come on, shoot up. It won't win the top, but it could win this bottom. There, 8 seconds. Come on, shoot up. It's been playing off that level so much. 4, 3. Come on, baby. Come on, come on. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. There you go. Oh, see. All right, got to be done. That's insane. That's insane. Down 6 trades, 47.90. Yeah, I'm gonna. It's bouncing off that level. It's bouncing off that level. It's bouncing off that level. It's trying to break it. Yeah, it's trying to break it. Playing. And it's sitting on that level. Let's see what this is. That's 10. No, it could go higher. This doesn't look to me like a really good. I mean, you see how it's kind of lifting off there now? I was trying to break that level for a while. Wow. That's the level that I thought it was going to break. It has wicks everywhere, guys. It's a terrible plan. What is this one doing? USD ARS, 1 o'clock, breaking that level. 10. I tried to play that trend. I tried to play the trend, but the trend was not my friend at that point. You know, the trend was kind of like, The trend was like, I might be your friend. Not really. Just kidding. I'm your friend. No, I'm not your friend. I'm your friend. No, I'm not your friend. I'm the friend. No, I'm not. I'm the friend. No, I'm not your friend. No. See, this just playing and moving to the top. So it could easily keep trending. Huh. Oh, let's see. This one reaches a level. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, that reaches that level right there. If it reaches that level, I'd be interested. This one is okay. This one's reaching that level. I mean, it's at that level right there. Let's see here. It kind of played out the top side there. Uh-oh, this is not going good. Hold on. Okay, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, 5. Oh, crap. Yeah. Oh, crap. Oh, that one lost again, too. Yeah. Okay, so down 7. Oh, this one's 9. This one's 10 down there. Oh, that one's doing down there. All right. There we go. 18 seconds here. There we go. We need this win. It would be nice to have this win. It'd be really nice to have this win. If it can get there. If it can take that up. There we go. Come on, baby. Give me that one. There we go. 6-5. Down 5. 49. That was nice. That was 2 wins. Baby. That was 2 wins. All right, down 6% basically is what we're at. So it's kind of a weird stop loss kind of a day where I could say this could be it. Let's take this off. This is 30 seconds. Oh, I should have done 2 minutes on that. Okay, this is 30 seconds. That's an RSI touch on a really good line. And that was just me finding an RSI touch. I'm not looking at the 10-minute too much anymore. I'm just looking for where it's bouncing. Is it going to bounce or trend? And this one's going to bounce. It looks like that was a 1-minute trade. And this looks like a nice bounce. Hopefully it does continue up and bounce off that. Let's see. It's going to go up there. Yeah. It could go for a while. 11 seconds. Maybe that's it. Maybe the trades are just too long today. Because that was a 1-minute trade for come on 3 no let's see here. It's going to bounce off there. Let's take a 2-minute there, and let's take another. Yeah, let's take a 4-minute there. This is a 2-minute. This is a 4-minute. Down 6. All right, so let's see if this doesn't trend and if it does turn around. Oh, that's interesting if I look at it in the bigger picture. This could definitely go back up. 30 seconds. So the top one, okay, the top one's got a minute. This one's been going up. Where it's at right now is it's going back down to this level right here, maybe. Or right here. I mean, it's kind of stuck right there. It's kind of going up. There it goes. It's kind of a weird. I didn't trade on this chart earlier because it looked kind of funny. But actually, this one is moving in a strange way. Yeah, it's moving in a strange way, isn't it? That's a touch right there. And it's 30 seconds. So I'm going to take a double up there. Hopefully it's 20 seconds. It's on 20 seconds. Hold on. Why is it moving so slow? Dang, it's a slow double up. Come on, baby. Flip up. It's in 30 seconds. It's just holding, isn't it? It's just holding and going down. All right, got to be done. I'm out. 42.26, getting down there. I'm gonna have to make this up now. Dang it. Down 1,700. Oh man, 1,700. Okay, down 11%. That's 2-day loss, basically. That's 2 loss. That's 2 days of loss. Yeah. 42.26. That's down 2 days. Down 11%. So it's down 5. What am I risking? 5? Yeah, 10. So I'm down about 2 days. Man, more than 2 days, but down 2 sessions. If I would have been leveraged up, I would be down 2 sessions. Not great. No, that's terrible. I gotta really consider. Well, actually, this one could win. Okay, let's see what this is. See, this one right here could have won. It just is. It's like sort of trending and moving slow. This one right here is got 50 seconds. You know. It's moving so slow. No, it's moving slow. If it gives me like a bounce down, I'll take it. I could have taken it down there, but it still might jump down there. It looks like it's going up, but it's going up kind of slow. It could win, but that white line is janky right there. 15 seconds. I'm glad I didn't double that up because, yeah, look at that. It's just kind of going up there. Mm-hmm. I look into 10-minute candles here, and I don't see much of anything that looks like it's really, really, really probable today. I'm going to come back Monday and make a couple big makeups, and I think that's what I'll do because I need to win a couple trades, but I need to be in a different mindset. I've been trading for 57 minutes and I've been getting my butt kicked since I won my first trade. So let's put this to bed till Monday. We'll come back, make a couple $500 trades, which will be makeup trades, but it'll be a different day because I need a fresh perspective on movement. Yeah, these charts are just So I'm going to have to take a loss today and just see what where the plan is. The plan's at 11,229. So I dipped a little bit, but I'm not down that much. I'm down, 5. So I'm down a couple 300. I'm down a couple $500 trades basically, which to me I can win back if I don't keep losing on these jagged charts. Then it should be fine. This jaggedness is really, it still just tempts me to try to find something, but I'm not finding anything, to be honest. I'm just not. I never trade stocks. So even if I look at stocks, I'm probably not going to trade these, but I've not traded on these stocks in forever. I'm sure it's fine. Wow. Look at this 70s. None of these are even at 92%. Tesla is. But I haven't been looking at these for forever. Friday chart's moving in such a weird way. I think I just need to put it up to cryptocurrencies. Oh, cool. Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin look like? It's kind of weird. Like I said, I've never traded on these, so I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to. Cryptos, commodities, cryptocurrencies. Okay, Dogecoin, Tron, Cardano, Polygon. These are the only ones that are 80. The only ones that are 92 are Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Tryon is at 86%. We don't want that. Dogecoin. It kind of looks like that. And Bitcoin, what's it going to do? Man, it's been going down. Let's see what it's been doing over 4 hours. Oh, crap. It's tanking. And it's been having these big, look at that's weird. Like I said, I've never been trading these, so I don't know why they look like that. I've just been trading currencies, and that's why I think they look like this. Oh, look at that. JODCNY, just like a big, huge tank. Boom, tank, boom, boom, tank. Wow, that's interesting. That's a weird looking chart right there. I guess that's the 4-hour chart. So the 10-minute charts just don't look, like much. I guess we could do like a 4-hour, find a 4-hour chart and do. This is weird because it's like went down real big and went up. So maybe that's a good way to look at this in terms of the charts. I don't know what's going to happen down here. Like, is it just going to keep going? Maybe. I don't know because I don't trade 4 hours. I'm just kind of messing around, looking around at some stuff. This been kind of shifting. And the days look like they're kind of sideways, at least. Oh, this looks decent. That's a big line down there, isn't it? Wow, look at that. It's a big line right here. For the day, it stopped up there many days and it's bounced back off. Although some days it's gone below that, So if you look into this 4-hour, I think it could go back up from here. This in the hour. I think it's going to go down in terms of the day, It stopped here before, though. Look at that. The last time it was down here, it kind of stopped. Last time it was down here, it stopped. It wicked off there at 30, at 15. It's kind of in a weird, it's in a weird place. That's good, actually. It's in a weird place. Yeah. Kind of went down. I'm gonna take 500 for 10 there. 10 minutes. All right, I'll tell you how that goes. 500, 10 minutes off the bottom of that. See if it wins. All right, I'll see you guys next week.